Amphibians are fascinating creatures that have inhabited our planet for millions of years, playing a crucial role in ecosystems and connecting us to ancient times when terrestrial life was still in its infancy. What makes amphibians so unique and intriguing? Let's explore this universe filled with curiosities, incredible adaptations, and mysteries that continue to amaze scientists and nature lovers. These animals have a unique characteristic that sets them apart from other groups. They live a double life, transitioning between water and land. This is, in fact, the meaning of the term amphibian, derived from the Greek amphi, both, and bios, life. This ability makes them incredibly adaptable, allowing them to thrive in diverse environments such as tropical forests, swamps, mountains, and even deserts. The skin of amphibians is one of their most striking and fascinating features. Unlike other animals, amphibian skin is thin, permeable, and highly vascularized. This means it allows for gas exchange, functioning as an additional respiratory organ. This adaptation is especially useful in aquatic environments, where many amphibians can breathe directly through their skin. However, this same feature makes them extremely sensitive to environmental changes, such as pollution and habitat destruction. Another impressive aspect of amphibians is the way they reproduce. Most of them undergo complete metamorphosis, a life cycle that begins with eggs laid in water or moist environments. These eggs, which lack a hard shell, hatch into larvae that often have tails and gills. Over time, these larvae transform into adults, developing lungs, limbs, and, in many cases, losing their tails. This transformation is like a spectacle of nature, a process so fascinating that it has inspired studies and observations since ancient times. And what about the eating habits of amphibians? They are mostly carnivorous, feeding on a wide variety of prey such as insects, small crustaceans, and even other amphibians. Their tongues, often sticky and projectable, are perfect tools for capturing prey quickly and precisely. However, what is most striking is their ability to ingest food larger than their own mouths, thanks to the ability to dislocate parts of their skulls. When it comes to defense, amphibians possess an impressive arsenal. Many produce toxic substances in their skin glands, which serve to deter predators and eliminate microorganisms that could infect their skin. Some species display vibrant colors as a warning that they are dangerous or poisonous. Others opt for camouflage, blending perfectly with their surroundings, whether among leaves, branches, or even at the bottom of water bodies. Another fascinating behavior is their communication. Although they do not have complex vocal cords like mammals, many amphibians are masters of vocalizations. Their calls are often associated with reproduction, being used to attract mates or mark territory. On warm, humid nights, the symphony of amphibians can be heard from afar, creating a natural spectacle that enchants anyone lucky enough to witness it. Unfortunately, despite their resilience over millions of years, amphibians are facing a global crisis. They are considered the most threatened group of vertebrates, with hundreds of species experiencing population declines or already extinct. The causes are varied, including habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and the spread of lethal fungal diseases that affect their skin. These threats not only endanger amphibians, but also disrupt ecosystems as a whole, as they play vital roles in insect control and as part of the food chain. Still, there are initiatives worldwide aimed at conserving amphibians. Research projects, captive breeding, and species reintroduction are some of the efforts helping to protect these extraordinary creatures. Moreover, public awareness about their importance is crucial to ensuring that future generations can also admire their beauty and uniqueness. What's most incredible is that amphibians continue to surprise us. Recent studies have revealed that some species have almost unbelievable adaptations, such as the ability to survive extreme temperatures, enter prolonged dormancy states, and even regenerate body parts. These abilities are like windows into Earth's evolutionary past, reminding us of how incredible and diverse natural processes can be. Amphibians are not only living witnesses to evolution, but also offer valuable lessons on adaptation and resilience. They represent the connection between aquatic and terrestrial life, being one of the first groups to conquer land environments. Their evolutionary history is a true chapter in the transformation of life on Earth, with each species carrying marks of this journey. For example, some amphibians have developed surprising strategies to survive in hostile environments. Some can store water in their bodies to withstand drought, while others can reduce their metabolic activities to a minimum during scarcity periods, entering a type of hibernation. This ability to adapt to adverse conditions is a testament to their incredible survival capacity. Additionally, amphibians have played a fundamental role in science. Their permeable skin makes them excellent bioindicators, meaning species that reflect the health of their environments. When amphibians disappear from a region, it can be a warning sign that something is out of balance in the ecosystem, such as the presence of pollutants or climate changes. Studies on them have already contributed to advances in areas such as pharmacology, biology, and even regenerative medicine. However, amphibians also face invisible enemies. Among them, one of the most devastating is the chytrid fungus, which attacks their skin and has caused large-scale population declines. The speed at which this disease spreads is alarming, highlighting the importance of global efforts to combat this threat. On the other hand, amphibians are also cultural symbols in many human societies. From legends about their ability to bring rain to myths associating their presence with omens of luck or misfortune, they have been prominent figures in human history. Their image is as enigmatic as their biology, and their relationship with us goes beyond science, involving popular imagination. Finally, amphibians remind us that life on Earth is fragile, and that each species plays a unique role in the complex web of nature. Preserving them is not just about conserving the past, but ensuring a balanced future for all living beings sharing this planet. Every small effort, from reducing pesticide use to restoring habitats, can make a huge difference for the future of these amazing creatures. With their vibrant skin, agile jumps, and captivating sounds, amphibians have the power to awaken in us a deep respect for nature. May their stories and characteristics continue to inspire new generations to connect with the natural world, engage in its protection, and see them not only as extraordinary animals, but also as silent guardians of our planet's secrets. Thus, when observing an amphibian, whether a small inhabitant of a pond or a rare explorer of the forests, we are in the presence of a survivor of past eras, a living connection to the history of our planet. May we learn to value and protect these creatures, not only for their ecological importance, but also for the mystery and fascination they bring to our lives.